students, today we're going to be making face shields for the local hospital. And if you are a secondary student, you can turn in masks to earn community service hours. The first step we're going to do is make sure you wash your hands. If you don't have anywhere to wash your hands, you can always use hand sanitizer. Okay. This is what the mask is going to look like when it is complete. Now I'm going to go over the materials you need to make your face shield. You're going to need a plastic book cover, a marker, some scissors, or optionally you could use a box cutter, a stapler, a ruler, foam, double-sided tape. If you don't have these materials, you can also use ribbon. You might also want to decorate your mask. We have some sparkly paper here. You could use string, or you could use some other kinds of ribbon or double-sided tape. I'm going to be using the edge of this to round the edges of my book cover. I'm going to attach about 6 layers of double-sided tape to the top. As you can see from our example here, I'm not going to go across the entire top. I'm going to leave about 1 inch on either side. And 6. Okay. Now we're ready to measure our ribbon. You'll want to make this about 1.5 feet long. First, I'm going to measure my ribbon. It does not have to be exact, just approximately 1.5. Before we apply the ribbon, I'm going to apply tape so that this does not stick to anybody's face when they're trying to wear it. Now, I'm going to use a stapler to attach the ribbon to the sides of the mask. As you can see, this might present a problem if worn, so we're going to cover it with more tape. Now comes the fun part. You can decorate the front of your mask. And now we have another face shield. Thank you, everyone. Bye.